Today episode K flavor series about chimeak. So chimeak means chicken and meakju, chicken and beer. But since I'm living in country where drinks, alcohol are not allowed, we are going to figure it out something else. Today I cannot make on my own, but there are famous Korean chicken here in the city that present also in Dubai when I was there. So I'm going to try that out and then check it out. Oh, I got 2 pieces. Ta-da! With mustard and ketchup. Yay! I requested for mozzarella. So this one. Let's go ahead. Never been to Korea, but I saw many K-drama. They pour it over the top of corndog. So this is how you do it. Because I cannot pour, so I just dip this one here. Let's try. It's perfect with mustard. This one, the one I got cheese. They cover it with bread flour. Let's do it one more time. After cheese, there is hot dog. You see? I thought the whole one is cheese. Okay, let me continue. I'll get the hot dog one. Wow. I'm thirsty, so let's try. This is the iced tea. It's just normal, nice, beautiful iced tea. Now we go to the main. Wow! There has to be some holy background. Ta-da! Amazing. This is what they call it, chimeak, chicken and meakju. But we don't have meakju here, or they will catch me. No meakju, only iced tea. This is the sauce, I guess. This is the radish. Let's try. I'm using hand, everyone. Okay, we'll try I ordered the padak sauce. It's deep. Very sweet, crunchy. Sorry. Wow. Spring onion. I don't know if you like it, but I like it. I like to eat raw. The chicken is amazing. Sweet. Ta-da! Come back with rice.